Hi, my name is Rachel. I'm a product manager here at Ramp, and today I'm going to be showing you preview mode. Preview mode allows admins to be able to see what employees are viewing. It is read only, meaning that admins will not be able to edit on behalf of employees. And in order to access it, you would first go to company and then to people. And let's say for here that I wanted to go and do a preview on Paula. I would go ahead, click on her account, and then click preview from here. And from there, you can see that I'm clearly viewing Paola's account, and I can see everything that Paola sees. So I can see all the expenses that she still has pending. I can see her travel. I can see what funds she has access to, what cards, etc. And I can see outstanding action items as well. So here you can see a list of all of her expenses, and then the status as well as any sort of travel going on too. And so this essentially allows me to see exactly what Paola is seeing. The benefit here is if there is any sort of troubleshooting that I as the admin need to do, I'm able to easily preview the account and see exactly what the employee can see instead of having to have a back and forth conversation.